Hello everyone, I'm Andre from Kidscode. In this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to register as a teacher on our website. So start by clicking the Sign Up and Discover Kidscode for Free button. Fill in the next form, which is quite basic. Simply type in your first name, last name, password, ID and email address. Then click the Register button. On the next page, if you're a teacher or the head of a school, select the school account. Now you can search for your school. For instance, if one of your colleagues has already registered on Kidscode and has already created your school, you can find it with this button. But let's say you're the first teacher in your school to register on our website. So let's click the Create a School button. Adding a new school is simple. Fill in the form by typing the name, address, country, region and zip code and hit the Create button. Finish your registration on Kidscode by confirming your email address. Just click the link we've sent to your email address and that's it. Welcome to Kidscode. As a teacher, I need a class, so open the Class tab, then click the Add a Class button. I can either create my students one by one, or import an Excel or CSV file straight from my computer onto the website. If you wish to see an example, click the See Example link. So let's take a closer look. This is my Excel file with a list of my students. Each column is named logically with first name, last name, birth year. So you have to name these columns like that too. Once your class is created, your students will log in on our website and inside our 3D video game with their default user ID and password. The default ID is generated with the first three letters of the first name and the full last name. If you want to keep things confidential, you can register your students by only using nicknames instead. Students can later change their password, but teachers can always reset these from their online classroom interface. Once my file is uploaded, I'm going to save it and it will appear on my dashboard. Now that my students are imported, I want to give them full access to Kidscode. And I want to give myself full access to Kidscode too. So I need to click the Subscribe button, then choose the school plan. Here I have to indicate the number of memberships I want to purchase. So I'm gonna need one for each user, myself included. After that, I'll be redirected to a secure web page where I can safely purchase the memberships. And finally, I need to go back to my classroom dashboard and click the Assign Memberships button. Tick all the users in the list and that's it. My students and myself have now full access to Kidscode and all its maps and features. This is it. That's all you need to do to create a teacher profile on our platform. If you have any questions, make sure to check our online forum. Our community of moderators and users will be happy to help you out. As for myself, I'll see you in the next video, which explains in full details how to create a Kidscode session in single or multiplayer mode. Stay creative and see you soon on Kidscode.